Hi, my name is John Clark, and I am an assistant professor of advanced manufacturing here at Ventura College. We are excited to announce a new CNC machinist pre-apprenticeship and apprenticeship program for our local community. So an apprentice is someone that is learning a trade from a skilled employer. And one of the things that the employer does for the apprentice is they actually pair them up with one of their senior machinists as a mentor. So you're actually being mentored through learning a new trade.
My name is Manuel Keith Perez Jr. and I'm a student in the apprentice program at Ventura College. And the apprenticeship helped me find this facility. I'm liking it here in this company and I'm liking the actual program.
For a student to become an apprentice, the student must be hired full-time by a local manufacturing company. While the apprentice is working full-time, they will also continue their training at Ventura College. We require a minimum of one class per semester.
My name is Dan Vallejo, part of the marketing and education team here at TMJ Concepts. We manufacture a joint for the TMJ, which is located in the jaw. We're strictly a medical device company, so we have stringent ways that we do things here, and Manny's been able to adapt to that very well.
Every company is different. School prepares you so that you're not stumbling. And once you get into your job, you learn the way that they want you to run.
The Ventura College Apprenticeship Program has a pathway to advancement no matter where you are in your career. If you are a seasoned operator, we have a way that you can start the apprenticeship program without completing the pre-apprenticeship. But if you're a student that has no experience in manufacturing, we have created a pre-apprenticeship program that will make you a capable CNC machine operator so that you can hit the ground running when you start with your new employer.
So when I came into this job, people were almost wowed because I knew so much and I was able to adapt so quickly.
One of the things that we believe the apprenticeship does is marries together great candidates that are looking for a career in manufacturing with companies that need good help.
The Ventura College students are great. They're fast learners, and we look forward to hiring them in the future.
This is what's going to help you in your future. This is what's going to establish you as a certified machinist. And once you become a certified machinist, that's when the pay raises come in. And ultimately, that's what we're trying to achieve. More money, a better way of living, being able to support yourself, your children, your family. That's the reason why I would say to join this program.
The Advanced Manufacturing program at Ventura College is dedicated to creating the workforce of the future. If you're a student and you're interested in a career in manufacturing and taking our pre-apprenticeship program,